Here's an incredible discovery that any one of us could have made. Legend has it that when German mathematician Carl Friedrich Gauss was a young schoolboy, his teacher asked the class to add up all of the numbers from 1 to 100, probably hoping to get a bit of peace and quiet for half an hour. But no such luck, because before long, young Gauss marched to the front of the classroom, wrote the answer on the board, 5050, chalk drop, back to his seat, onward to his future as one of the greatest mathematicians of all time. But how did he do it so quickly? Well, he spotted a pattern. Rather than adding the numbers one at a time, he realised he could take the first half of the sum, the numbers from 1 to 50, then write the second half of the sum, the numbers from 51 to 100, backwards underneath it, essentially folding the sum in half. Next, he noticed that each pair of numbers added up to 101. And there were 50 pairs. The only thing standing between Gauss and glory was a mere multiplication, 50 times 101. And if you've got our maths tricks bookmarked, you'll already know that to multiply any two-digit number by 101, we just write the number down twice. 50 times 101 is 5050. Now, I don't know if this story is true. The fact is, we love to look at people who accomplish great things and point to early signs of their talent. Look, they were born like that. But if the story is true, Gauss wasn't using any complicated maths that his classmates wouldn't know about. All he does is addition and multiplication. What's different is his openness to try it in an unconventional manner. Simply by playing with the order of the additions, he finds a fantastic shortcut, and this is something that we can all do. We're often given the impression that maths is something that was all figured out by a bunch of dudes long ago. We don't get to play a part. Our only role is to memorise the rules they left us and follow the procedure. Well, that's not the case. We do get to play a part, to explore, experiment, look for our own patterns. By doing that, we might discover something for ourselves. Imagine the excitement of discovering that percentages are reversible, that 4% of 50 is exactly the same as 50% of 4. Or that if a number is divisible by 9, its digits will add up to 9. Or like Gauss, that we can add a sequence quickly by folding it in half. These things are exciting enough to learn as it is, let alone if we've discovered them ourselves. And not only does this approach add to the excitement of maths, but it builds our connection with it. We're far more likely to understand topics if we roll our sleeves up and really get stuck in. By taking an active, playful role, by being willing to try things out and challenge conventions, we'll discover that we don't need to be Carl Friedrich Gauss to consider ourselves mathematicians.